Hi guys, my name is Ali Iqbal Lakhani and today I'm going to do an assignment on network architecture and protocol. In this assignment, I will show you cloud services, big data, and Internet of Things, how business can use these services and how they can improve the productivity. Cloud service is a kind of centralized data center in which all employees can share and upload their files into one location, and it can be accessed by every employee within the business. With the with the help of this cloud service, you don't need any USB or anything to share your data. Every employee in the company can access the file, edit the file, and can delete it as well. These files are always uploaded directly to the server, and this is how it helps everyone. So I installed OnCloud in this computer to demonstrate how it works and how it helps in business. I also installed the PHP on the system as well, because to run OnCloud you need PHP, which understands the OnCloud commands. Once everything is installed, so it's ready to upload the files, and now I will open the OnCloud for you. So username is admin and password is admin. So you can open OnCloud with your local IP or local host. You can get your IP from your command prompt. So on this OnCloud, you can see it's a document here, it's a photos and OnCloud manuals. We can upload files here, we can make folders here, we can share it by link, and we can also make the new accounts, because this is the admin account. Admin account is, it's for the people who manages the account. So yeah, this is the OnCloud. For the next task, I will demonstrate what is big data, and I will show you some of the features of big data. So whenever we hear about the big data, it always comes in our mind that we are talking about something with a large amount and enormous amount of data. Uh, you can say like companies like Facebook, Google, and Yahoo, and Hotmail, and etc. They always have a big amount of data, right? So as the technology increasing, the data is increasing too. And in the previous days, employees were the only people who can put data into the server. But nowadays, there are users as well who can upload the data. And you can say like Facebook, and like if you say it's Facebook, it have a lot of data. So the data is getting bigger and bigger, and to overcome the need and how to process all the data, like it's a Hadoop technology which comes with an idea. Like rather to take the data to processing unit, it's better to take the processing unit towards data. And it processes the information and take the answers to the output side. It can also be done if we like divide the data, process it in a small amount, and then bring together as a result of a huge amount. We can easily generate data by this method. So big companies who get a lot of data, huge amount of data, they can use Apache Hadoop. So here I installed the Cloudera in the system, and it uses the same Hadoop technology. So it manages the data and help data to generate information faster. But the thing is, like, unfortunately, my my Cloudera doesn't work here because I don't have enough RAM for it, because it needs like 8 gigs of RAM, but I got 4 on my computer. So it's impossible to get a Cloudera. But in the end, if I sum up this cloud array, it says like this is the best thing to manage the big data, and it uses the Hadoop technology, or you can say it's more over to the Hadoop technology. So guys, my next task is to demonstrate the IoT. IoT is Internet of Things. For this, I'm going to discuss about Internet of Things, how Internet of Things helps the business for the good future, and how they can use Internet of Things to get most out of their devices, their manufacturing, and if they're building the new devices as well. So as you know, we are already using so many smart devices like mobile phones and TVs, and most of the households are getting smarter too. Like the the only reasons why things are getting smarter because we put operating system into it. These things are called Internet of Things. There are a lot of OS like Microsoft, and it's providing Windows Internet of Things for motherboards. There are almost everything in which we use Internet of Things. For example, fire alarm, how it detects the smoke in our house, and how it detects when it has to put the alarm on, when to put the alarm off. So that's the Internet of Things, and I'll show you my demonstration about Internet of Things here. So put command sudo ant run, and it's compiling now. So here is the Quantic IoT. So file, new simulation, and assignment 2, create. So here it's the simulation process. So what we have to do, we have to put modes on it, create new mode type, and I'll put sky mode. So we have to browse here, and we put example C. So what we have done here, it's home users Contiki examples IPv6 and then simple UDP. So in simple UDP, it's a broadcast example C, and we open it and we compile it. So here it's a compilation process, and then we have to create it, and we put number of new modes is 8, and 8 modes. And to start this process, we have to put the start on it. So as you see, it's started and it's simulating the data. So in the end, for this assignment, like I have used Contiki operating system, and it helped us to simulate Internet of Things, and we can add them and also can rebuild them as well. So here you are seeing them. And that's all for the assignment. And this is Aliqbal Lakhani 1401538. Thank you.